Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Uber Eats, guys. Actually really easy and simple. So if you have realized you didn't actually put an order or need an order, thankfully guys, Uber Eats actually allows you to cancel orders through both the Uber Eats and Uber apps on the iPhone, iPad, Android, whatever app you're using, guys. First things first, you want to open up your app, okay? And if you're not signed in already, guys, make sure you sign in, okay? And what you want to do next, guys, is you want to tap on account, which is basically the outline of a person at the bottom right corner of the app. Okay, click on that. And then, guys, what you want to do is tap on orders. This is an icon of a paper bag near the screen's upper right hand corner. Click on that one. And then, guys, once you do that, you want to tap on the order you want to cancel. So your most recent order should be the first one on the list. And if you don't see it, just tap upcoming first. Okay, so just click on the order you want to cancel, okay, and then just click on cancel order, guys. Just tap on that red cancel order text, and the app will confirm if you'd like to cancel the order. It will outline any fees that might be incurred by canceling. So if you're okay with everything, guys, just click on cancel order and you can continue, guys. You can confirm canceling your order. It's actually that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment,